Today we are making some fairy garden cupcakes, and yes, we're gonna cover them in moss. Not real moss, but I'm gonna show you guys how we can make some moss and you can make the cutest fairy garden cupcakes with a mushroom on top. Welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. For our fairy garden party, we need fairy garden cupcakes, and we're gonna cover them in moss because in a fairy garden there's lots of moss and greenery. So I'm gonna show you guys how we make this moss. To make the moss to cover our cupcakes is so easy, you guys. All I have here is my graham crackers, you can see, and I have some green food coloring, and of course our little mushrooms we're gonna set on top of our cupcakes. What I'm gonna do with these graham crackers, I'm gonna throw them into my food processor and crush them up so that they're just nice and powdery graham crackers. And we're gonna bring them back to my bowl. You guys can see, here's my crushed graham crackers. And you guys, all we're gonna do here to make this moss, we're just gonna add food coloring right into our crushed graham crackers. It's just a matter of how green you guys want it. So for me, I'm gonna start putting some in there and then I'm just gonna start stirring it around. You can see at the very beginning, it doesn't look like anything's happening, but I promise you, it's going to turn into moss. So now I'm just gonna keep adding it and add it till I think I like the green color, and then we're gonna have some moss, you guys. Just look at it. We made moss. So to keep with the fairy garden theme, I had to make mini cupcakes because it's a fairy garden, you guys, and we need everything to be tiny. So what I'm gonna do here is I've got my mini cupcake, and now we are going to get some buttercream. I just dyed some buttercream green, have my big round tip, then we're just gonna fill our piping bag with some buttercream, and I'm just gonna pipe a little dollop right on this mini cupcake. You can see I'm just piping just a tiny bit of green right on these cupcakes. And then I'm gonna pick up the tiny cupcake and I'm gonna dump it right into our graham cracker moss mixture. You have the cutest moss covered cupcake, and it's so tiny, it's my favorite. Now I have these cute little mushrooms that I'm just gonna set right on top. And there you have it. We have a fairy garden mini cupcake. Some, as you can see, I added little shrubberies because why not, right? I just had my little tiny star tip and I just kind of went up with my buttercream and made a little shrubbery on our fairy garden cupcake next to our mushroom. So fun, so easy, and so cute, you guys. And voila, we have moss covered fairy garden cupcakes. That easy. I'm loving these tiny little cupcakes. I mean, they're perfect little fairy garden cupcakes. I can't decide if I like the one with the little shrubbery or just the one with the little mushroom. I don't know, they're both so cute and perfect for our fairy garden party. Thanks so much for watching here at Shelley's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. We have more fairy fun coming at ya. I also used my leftover buttercream and just used my one end tip and frosted some of these mini cupcakes and just made some rosettes. These would be perfect for a fairy garden party as well if you guys didn't want to do the moss, or if you want to do both like I did.